Hi everyone, my name is Mercedes. This is my individual reflection on our Steinbach project. And to start, my group did select Site 1, which was the California Central Valley facility. And this location was the company's main production facility and included manufacturing, warehousing, and container production operations. Then we chose this site because it had a lot of realistic operational challenges involving automation, supply chain issues, ERP integration, overall maintenance problems, and a lot of workforce concerns. Then I also found this site especially interesting because of how I could connect it to my major and my potential career, which is accounting and just finance overall. So to start with some remote project management, just diving into our remote work challenges. My group faced these challenges because we all had very busy work schedules, class schedules, and just personal responsibilities. So we found it very difficult to find times where everybody was available at the same time. But to deal with that, we had more flexible communication. I would say we all did a great job communicating on our group chat we have on messages, and I would say that was our main um, form of communication as well. And we also held each other accountable because we would update about assignments and everything. But when it boiled down to the larger assignments, it was harder to actually find times to work together because we all have a million things also going on in a bunch of other classes and work and outside lives and things like that. So even though scheduling was stressful at times, I think the experience really helped us improve our communication and teamwork skills. And it also showed how companies today's have to manage collaboration remotely, especially when employees work in different locations. It can all become jumbled up and very challenging to manage, but I feel like this is some good real world experience trying to navigate these challenges. But moving on to why we selected Site 1. My group chose Site 1 because it seemed like the most realistic facility and it was the most established facility out of the three options we had as well. And then since it handled production, warehousing, and container manufacturing all in one location, there was a lot of operational areas to analyze. We were especially interested in the company's plans to increase automation, improve supply chain, reliability, and how to integrate SAP ERP systems with existing softwares. This facility was also dealing with preventative maintenance problems, safety training concerns, spare parts shortages, and union negotiations. So overall, Site 1 gave us the opportunity to look at many different operations management concepts and how they affect a large organization overall. Moving on, kind of connecting this personally, as an accounting major, I connected with this project because many of the operational issues also impact financial performance. So, for example, the supply chain delays, equipment downtime, and inefficient processes can all increase costs and reduce profitability. I was especially interested in ERP integration portion of this assignment and the challenges this site faced because accounting professionals really rely on systems and technologies like SAP for financial reporting, budgeting, etc. So if these ERP systems are not integrated correctly, it can increase errors and operational inefficiencies. Then lastly, the project just overall helped me understand how accounting closely works with operational management because financial decisions are connected to automation investments, maintenance costs, labor expensive, and overall like the operational performance. So this project really gave me a better understanding of how accounting supports business decision making beyond just like preparing financial statements. So now, transitioning to more of our pitfalls and then solutions throughout this site. One of the biggest problems Site 1 involved was the supply chain disruptions and long lead times for spare parts and operational materials. These delays made it harder for the company to complete maintenance and keep production running efficiently. And then there was also issues when integrating SAP, ERP, and CRM systems to the existing softwares. So without proper integration, organizations experience communication issues, inaccurate data, and overall workforce inefficiencies. The company was also dealing with workforce challenges, including safety training concerns, retention issues, and ongoing union negotiations. So, while our site did face many challenges, my team and sorry, excuse Sorry, just had to pause there for a second. But while Site 1 did face many challenges, my team and I recommended using things like continuous improvement strategies like Kaizen and Six Sigma to improve quality and reduce operational efficiencies overall. Then also we suggested improving maintenance programs, employee training, just to overall reduce downtime and improve workforce retention. Then, sorry, just one second. Sorry. Finally, we recommended a more structured ERP implementation process with employee training and change management to support overall making technology transitions smoother. But overall, like on my final takeaways, I learned a lot from the Steinbeck project, and it gave me a better understanding of how complex operations management can be within large organizations and how different departments have to work together to solve all these problems. I also learned the importance of communication, teamwork, and adaptability when working remotely with teams. Then, as an accounting major, this project helped me to see how operational decisions directly impact financial performance, budgeting, internal controls, and then just overall long-term business success. And then I think this experience helped me better understand the connection between accounting and operations management, and it gave me a lot more confidence when working on other business projects in the future. So yeah, that was my individual reflection, and thank you so much for watching.